Hey, what's up everybody? Andy here, and in today's video, we're going to do a quick comparison review between IPVanish VPN and PureVPN. So if you've been wondering which is the better VPN service, then you are in the right place. Now, IPVanish and PureVPN are two of the most well-known VPNs out there, and both have their issues with keeping logs. Still, IPVanish now claims to keep none whatsoever. IPVanish does have some additional advantages than just this major fact. While both VPNs have top-tier AES encryption and similar protocol options, including OpenVPN, PPTP, L2TP, a kill switch, and DNS leak protection, IPVanish performs better and has a better sense of usability. But is it that much better than PureVPN? Well, let's take a look. So first up, let's talk about speed. IPVanish and PureVPN's speed are nothing to get overly excited about. But to be fair, they aren't that bad either. I mean, PureVPN has decent speeds, but IPVanish is a little bit better. If you're planning on doing a lot of streaming, either one will work well, avoiding any annoying buffering or causing large file downloads to lag too much. They'll get you by. And then looking at servers, PureVPN offers 750 plus servers in over 140 countries. So you have numerous options when it comes to locations. IPVanish has servers in 60 countries and often with several different cities to choose from. So while the actual country amount is lower, you still have a solid amount of locations. So let's talk a little bit about their support. PureVPN is one of the best for customer support, offering a 24/7 chat. It has email responses, a large knowledge base, and plenty of tutorials to watch to learn how to use it. With that said, IPVanish is not far behind, offering all of these options and often just as quick and helpful in resolving issues. So I know ease of use is important to a lot of you, so taking a look at that, if you sign up before you download the software, the site determines which is the best option for you, for your machine that you are using. You can use up to 10 devices simultaneously, a very high amount, by the way, so you can always go back and choose the correct application for other devices later. There aren't many settings to adjust, so those who aren't technically savvy should find IPVanish simple to use. We like that we could choose our server if one ran slow. We could switch servers without having to disconnect from the VPN first. But sadly, at this time, there are no servers that allow you to stream Hulu due to the proxy settings within Hulu itself. However, when we tried Netflix, we found that we could access it from not just any US-based server, but also from London and Glasgow, servers in the UK, HBO and ESPN can be unblocked as well, and IPVanish works in China. PureVPN app is easy enough to be used by a novice VPN user and offers enough settings to appeal to a seasoned player. The basic interface is simple, and you just have to select a server and click on connect. The default protocol is automatic, but you can pick another option from the list. There are some tabs that let users change the settings and customize the app according to their needs. Now, PureVPN has apps for all major platforms and has browser extensions as well. There's a large selection of servers and special servers for online streaming, also sports streaming, anonymous file sharing, and data retention security, or you can just connect to the fastest server of a particular country. PureVPN works on mobile devices and is generally successful at accessing Netflix and Hulu, and again, definitely works in China. So, which VPN should you choose? Now, PureVPN and IPVanish are evenly matched in many categories, but IPVanish is the best choice due to its faster speeds, also the ease of use and sheer number of connections offered for the price. PureVPN is certainly a solid choice, but IPVanish works better from the start and has just enough helpful added features. The server map is easy to navigate and the menus are self-explanatory as well, so this VPN is good for beginners and experts alike. Now, how to use this chart? At first glance, it may seem like IPVanish has the clear edge in nearly every important aspect, but this does not mean PureVanish is a slouch. It's just that IPVanish is a little more refined. PureVPN's handful of features may be more useful to certain users, however, such as split tunneling, different modes for video streaming, and so on. So that's it for me. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you're interested in trying out any of the VPNs that I mentioned in this video, I will put a special discount link that I was able to get for all of you in the description area below so that you can save some money. And as always, if you have any questions at all, leave a comment and don't forget to like this video if you found this review helpful and subscribe to my channel if you want to be up to date on all VPNs.